Network. I'll be your host today. My name is Troy. Thank you for coming to the CUBN Hour. CUBN News. I will tell you what I know about the news. What I'm reading about. Amen to that. I'll say drug melting cancer cells approved for human use in U.S. Ladies and gentlemen, did they just right now make a miracle drug? Did they make a drug that can melt cancer away? Is it possible that they just did something that was supposed to have been done billions of years ago? And then they just bring it out now? Because maybe something bad happened to their family member and they just had to force it out. Now, immediately people saw what they did and then they just, and there I go again with the conspiracy theory. Alright. Melbourne, August 23rd. A tablet developed in Melbourne that melts away cancer cells has been approved for use in the United States. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration announced on Tuesday that the venetoclax was approved for prescription outside of the human trials for patients with chronic lymphotic leukemia. Not leukemia. Venetoclax. Why they gotta make such a difficult name for a pill? Name a pill with 3 words, three letters. You gotta go venetoclax. Venetoclax, which overwhelms the BCL2 protein that is vital to cancer cell survival, was developed in Melbourne in the 1980s. What? After researchers at the Walter and Eliza Hall Institute of Medical Research discovered the importance of BCL2. WEHI's head of clinical translation, Professor Andrew Roberts, said that 80 of 160 participants in a human trial of the drug in Melbourne have displayed a positive response. More of the patients had failed to be controlled by all the other treatments we had available. This was a last line option for them, Roberts told News Limited on Tuesday. It truly does lead to the disease melting away in 20% of people. Vic Blackwood, a 68-year-old participant in a venetoclax trial for 2 years at the Royal Melbourne Hospital, said he had exhausted all his options for treating CLL before being admitted to the trial. They said, if we don't do anything, you've got 3 weeks to live. Blackwood told News Limited. I was so weak, I was in bed for 20 hours a day. Blackwood had cancerous lumps the size of golf balls in the lymph nodes in his neck, and those the size of grapefruits under his arms, but is now cancer free. This is amazing. The change in me has been more dramatic than in anyone else. I can do anything now. It saved my life, he said. Roberts said that while it was highly likely Australia would follow the United States in approving the drug, the treatment would require government subsidies to increase access to the drug, which cost $100,000 per year in the United States. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, they just done a miracle drug. The man had golf-sized balls coming out of his neck and grapefruit size coming out of his armpits. This little pill thing, drug, got rid of it. Now, who knows? what really happened to that man. But I know what really happened to that man. They used something called Jesus. That's what they used in that man. See, God makes everything on this earth. All we do is find it, manipulate it, make it work. Make it do what the Lord already proven was possible. Thank God for these people for finding the Lord's medicine and putting it into people to help them pinpoint these battles that they go through. Thank God. In Jesus' name.